For this video log, I'm reflecting on the articles by Marie M. Clay on concepts about print, the observation forms, and running records. The observations form was helpful in showing specific aspects of evaluating students' reading, their print knowledge, and concepts of print knowledge in general. And that form was helpful in looking through all those different aspects that would be observed. From the concepts about print article, I learned a couple of reasons why that is important in education. It's important for developing linguistic awareness, process where children are developing and learning about their own language. It also helps with cognitive clarity. Learning to read consists of different functions, encoding, and rules of the written language, and then also with the readiness theory. Then this theory basically was saying that children have widely differing scores on concepts of print going into the beginning of the school year versus the end of the school year. And then for the running records article, it was helpful and was talking about the importance of finding appropriate levels of text for students, documenting their progress, and using that progress report to help further develop strategies for instruction for later on. And one quote that I picked out was from the Concepts About Print in English and Other Languages article. And it said, "Children learn to read in a variety of widely differing instructional programs. They start at different ages and cultures, which have different expectations. The set of behaviors needed to profit from instruction will depend on the expectation of the culture, the age of entry to school, and the emphasis on the program." And that was just talking about that children need a variety of instructional practices to help them with different aspects of their learning. And something that I thought was interesting during the Running Records article was just talking, there was a quote, and I'll paraphrase it, but it was basically just saying records allows teachers to describe how children are working on a text. And so basically, these records are allowing teachers to look at their students' work and how they're working on the text and using those records to display that. And then the question I have was, what are some strategies that we haven't yet discussed this semester to make sure print's concepts are concrete in my classroom, especially when it comes to the time to evaluate my students?